you did?
Nah, it's on
Oh.
YouTube. It's all I can hear though. You feel me? We're at the range right now, man. We're at the gun range right now. Just finna shoot some legendary loot right quick. You feel me? So what I got today is I got Glock 19. Glock 19. You know what I'm saying? The extended mag. The legendary loot right here. You feel me? Alright, now record off of it. Ready? Legendary edition. Super safety on that? Yeah. Alright. I thought it was a bag. I'm gonna shoot the mini pistol. Oh, we all on camera and stuff. What's up, vlog? Want me to shoot with you?
Sound better. I'm sorry, babe. I can't do it.
See, it's that simple. It's just that simple. I said that simple.
Yeah, for you.
You said for me?
Yes.
Come on, you gotta shoot one, babe.
No,
shoot one for me,
babe. It's like
See, you gotta face your fear.
It's like I'm numb to it. Like I'm so scared that I'm numb to it. Like I can't do it. Like my heart racing, but it's not racing. Like I just nah.
No, I feel you.
I'm asking my aunt. My heart beating on my chest right now. Do it. Wait till I'm ready. I'm holding it. Babe, I can't, bro. No. Where the bullet gonna go? Like, what if it hit me?
It's not gonna hit you going that way. It's not gonna go back.
Babe, I feel like if I shoot this, I'm gonna, like, you feel me? Babe, no.
Come on. It's this one. It's on.
I can't do it.
I guess you can hit.
I can't do it. And you know how you
Want to be
do
in front of me?
like, and you like jump with it. Like, I feel like
It's-
like I want to turn my head. I forgot you was recording.
Look, little bro.
Who's that?
That's my little brother. Uh-oh. That mud hot right now. We letting it cool down. Let me take it.
I wanted to record.
I can fill it up.
What the fuck is that?
We back at it. We had some technical difficulties, you feel me? Yeah. Please clip. It clips. Good. AR-15.
Y'all go cold for me?
You whole range.
Can y'all go cold for me?
They got you. Whole range.
They got you.
Hey, you want to go see the bucket?
By the time I get everything out.
Right. You found it?
Hey, look.
We're loading up, guys.
We're loading up right now.
We're fucking loading up, mate.
Sure.
Yup. Take these.
We're freaking magged up,
These for that. Feel me?
What the vlogs? What's the vlogs?
What's the vlogs I did?
Yeah, the videos.
Just recording and shoot. I just recorded you shooting again. I just read it and I read what the notes. On the left. My sexy ass nigga.
Not gonna lie.
Everybody.
You got the tires.
Hey.
Everybody wants to buy it. And then I bought the little kit.
She said, get out my face, ho. Oh, this is my son.
Damn bag, the little paper, greasy paper.
Hey, look, new day, man. New day vlog, man. We just made a pit stop to Royal Fried Motherfucking Chicken, yo. Oh my gosh. We need to set this camera up right now. Hold on. Gotta set both of y'all up.
I forgot you got the
You gotta set this up.
I forgot you got check out the little holding part. Cause you can see his head cruising the whole time. This is gonna be a thumbnail like this. Chill out. Nigga making thumbnails.
God damn.
You did get
My
no
fingers
fries?
shaking from this fucking Kool-Aid, yo.
Yo, boy, you finna have a sugar rush. That chicken finna cool you down.
It's hot.
Y'all didn't get no fries?
It's on the bottom.
Oh, you good. They usually give a nigga some bread in that hoe. Damn, nigga ain't bullshitting.
I forgot we got one roll.
It's on
They
the.
give a nigga bread, pickles, and peppers. What I got?
Oh. What you think? That's it.
That's that shit. Oh, yeah. That's
Oh
that
shit.
Nah, but shit, I was gonna try to see what we were gonna do, cause she talking about cruising and shit downtown, just driving around, but I said I don't know what letting on, cause
I'm
the
down.
whole time niggas don't probably want to drive that long. Talking about some damn cruising. That's that boy. That's that boy. That's that boy. Oh, hell yeah. Nigga, tell that hoe where it's located, nigga. They don't know where it's at.
So this is located in Oak Cliff, Texas. You know, one of the most safest environments in the world.
Well, like shit.
For real.
You know, you born like shit.
Hold on. I gotta
Oh yeah,
eat rich.
they hood as fuck. That's Louisiana hot sauce right there.
Hell yeah. Shit.
Let me
At
see.
least the hot sauce and the ketchup is good to make a crazy combination. Right? Spicy good too.
Yo, this is one of the most best chicken I ever had in my life. WX. Hot.
No,
That Louisiana sauce like it hit different.
no, piece of seasoning hit my throat.
Ooh, I goddamn you swallowed a bone, fool.
This type shit you eat at the house, at the table.
Might want to go push their ass and stop walking. I don't feel like hitting nobody with the car.
Oh my god.
You gonna eat all this chicken?
We gonna eat all this chicken.
Shit. That's some big ass chicken. These ain't no little wings. Get full on 3
Shit.
pieces.
You like, girl, I got kids at the house. Let me get the 50-piece wings.
Damn, 50.
30. Oh no, 3. Can I get a 25 count? I got kids at the crib.
Love it.
What's that?
Damn bones. I think these are pickles.
Oh, they got some pickles?
Pickles, pickles, all that shit.
Yeah. Give me the pickles, bro. Oh yeah.
I
It's
just
gonna eat
want the
good.
juice.
Turn.
I don't want to actually.
Yeah, squirt the squeeze it on all of them.
I can just do this. Oh, shit. That one drowned.
Oh, look at this fry, yo. Look at these fries. They so seasoned in person.
Boy, you could have gave me that whole fry. You had to split that.